You looking for a trendy way to dress up and organize your office, guest room, or bedroom? This is the Kallax Bookshelf from IKEA. This is how to install it. But this is how to install it. I made a feel with Feel Getter DIY. Let's dive in. Now to start off, I like to make sure that I have all the pieces, parts that came shipped, including all the hardware necessary. Now step one, you're going to drive all the cam bolts into the side pieces. Now next you're going to line up the middle shelves with those cam bolts. Make sure you have all the cam hole cutouts on the same side. Step 4, insert and twist the cams, locking the shelf to the sides. Step 5, line up the top and bottom to the sides. Step 6, secure the top and bottom with the long bolts. There's an Allen wrench provided, but I ended up using my drill. Would you do me a favor? If this is helpful, would you click the like button to remind me to make more videos like this one? Step 7, determine which is going to be top and bottom, and then place your peel and stick felt pads. Step 8, secure the L bracket that's going to be your wall mount to the inside of the cabinet. Now step 10, you want to use those L brackets in the back and secure it to a wall, especially if you have it in a place where there's going to be kids around or a high traffic area. You can see it's sturdy and stylish. Since I don't have drawers in my standing desk, the baskets serve as that function for me. Receipts and papers in here, and also the baskets are the width of a file drawer. I hope this helps. For more IKEA product assembly instructions, click the image on your screen now.